for say dear veteran actress Nana Mama Brown. She said your Ginny din Wagana ha. Fiti say a bulldog and semi betoja. Na anyway so sa a hosty a Miss Bell. Na and so baseball and some betoja. As a Danny Dana din was system in native for and no pon na chain no na saying them last week more and Nana and a hosty any program Danny da or Dimo Cotton United Showbiz. I know so Ghana for starting yet Dimo Bobo Bimo Casa Yasaki and Anama Efri a UTV just a good one drink children or the better than a year Cassin so and day so Nanama air trendy. Na idea una one trend dia. Saturday United Showbiz the course so na nama dress no and no and na Ghana for do na so much say one so e bro he abetoja na etiefo ebinu so na nama dress ya say what dress ni there or Ginny Jean esan say one susu say one nim na nama no and the dress in the koye na nsin dia said they will show more skin kwa yet send ya say me yi me body kakra e dia to wono ya ye ne de nete for you nua ba bi make comment bia me pese me di tuja e de emamo ye nua ba Sabina Setue or Nana, you have changed your way of dressing. You show more skin these days. Don't forget that you are now a mother. Therefore ye niaba Sabina Setue na dwinchira wono no di tu gane se na nama aseni a won dress mu no what say mo kaka especially this Saturday dressing or dressing ye no ne hungu wo pa na no na wo susu se na nama MS san dressing esan say wo mu ni mu no as a decent and a disciplined woman na afen so crampo wasa e wo baka mu na ko ba say wo san dressing then the beba in some way in Chimu, intimensa, aka niaba, Kriasikapa back I know, ever pense insane. Minia Bekia, Aquaba, Major so many of us, have a quad, Yamia do more, and I can't quaba, Minia Banna, maybe seen, they say they own Yaba. Because Niabe and they, Yaba, na yanko yanza musona buying into quanto kwa sema kwa Ghana de kasi yako de ushe na nama ye kana nama ma brown wa ye obi a ne ho edom ubo na nama dinya I sense dom edi echire chese fans dom United Showbiz dom mas brown kitchen chese Ghana yi ni film enye ebi mo eyom film enye owo enye ma but ono wo a enye ma na obuo bebra Ghana for the man na sisi o ma start comment say fa na ma say o show more skin oje won say nipa na odi betu dwa no o mu pan say odi sa betu dwa fa enye na ma ho. Yeah, okay. You aba mesime na makonye so achia wahwefo anyway for na meba ensem no eso no on say dane dan peni for taka say we twa sam wonim say nachi achia say wo se bibi enkoye ewo obi ho a wotimi ka ba ya na kwan a wo ka no ena ema no say right and I say enye right ye share ye nuaba no nensem a wo ka at least say wash and dressing. One when no maybe a way and I say enye okay emfa emma wa. In the first place, no, I will say social media so now what the baby to a year and I was at one drain on say I think I am menanka. Nipani obi hu bibi sa won or the to social media so can me okay. Me chip in as na what 1270 and ma we feel point no. One say bit member so a fan. Onim where obetumi find the na mampo. Okay. And they observe you from afar on social media no nimo. It is so on the comment bi adwinchire bi say obuye business crampo na say uye business obepese obehia e feedback. Say na obe say na business ni enyoma si feedback no so etimi fe bi na eden aba eto nipa na bi na won ben from afar observers are worried and our to baby onim say ye den ya e betwa ye Nana.
Okay. But in the first place, me my dream channel at least if you can say oh nipa ben na obetimi ageti true ni say unya nipa no kwampa me aba wo say why e bibi na anase bibi na akoso wo side na enyo okay na say when na me frere say me ba at least minim say oh if I pass through this person I will get to you. Oh, it is a me ko nipa ne hono na minim say nipa no amma me da akonya ama me na nkasa na wa mama nchichi nsem e hona me hu ne say e na bia social media so na minim wonti ne me fa me comment enye den emfa hono e na say de wo ka no ye den ya social media so na wo de wo ye den wudi hu nipa no ba
superstar
omo ya fan na say wo ya wo fan ye den at times omutimi make some organization who hold me the number pampo to one man as the director be and the producer be and the BP and number to one man even you can reach her through that it at least then so we a die-hearted fan when they open that link and I said that yeah way now with me and get you through her now so what trying nana and yeah and me who say what they about social media so yeah okay but in all no one wa observing and who say there be nipa no say na what here but say was san enti e was onye the one ka bibi enye the enche ne be obehu ni say wa kwakọfa that channel na e be so long process e dey amano den social media so dey wonya de to onu ma wo be kwakọ mu obe no obe ka say na na share obi na comment say we so be kwakọ mu obe WhatsApp we say obi aka bia for yonku na na hu say na a trend enti ekwan bi so no how I will put to it was okay be ekwan bi so no ka or for a different channel can hu ni sanke be
okay intimate o ka se mu a send your the betu dwa no na wrong way but nen sem a wo kan eto aso okay na mini aba send na o sika se ne channel no so so be na ebe ye e wona na maso say e bi o dia betu social media ya mene nso akohu bia ye bobo nsa na Ghana follow do na ehu a ebobo mu eno no ebe ha na man brand ebe ha na djuma ana ebe tarnish ni image in a way.
Oh, okay. Say they want say or they and send by once obo ono mu a dey no or share program no by wanya adwin bi amfata ade no ho wanya bi team kan bi amfa na dress no but the moment obi aba prompt no wo sa fei obesa go back no akwa afa no na be na enkofo abe de abetro no na enkofo baba be ka ho ensem be enti ekwan bi so no yeah a bit me affect na asking say people know you for you to be someone who dress decent and right now no although that day maybe I was sure but na duni amba so ohun here because ocean attire na yeah ocean attire na it's a straight dress a fitting straight dress I see the thighs so okay and our one net bandy net just say and also see then to manage na a design and only boom as a rapper and only yet tensing it's one jam so you see it as a dresser a boom you wouldn't see any offense in say
not even know the short one and
why jam shut down ba so because at times who will be or share atade who and someone better so one share ba who na boom say net atade and then the skin they see
okay
it's who all man if na jam baso in that moment but see all about prompt here they say nkofo bet me view a screenshot no or view no because say na say na no honam na nation I say like obe get some negative aspects be at their fun and nama one a bit me affecting because when him said the nama I know all those say of fashion all those or dress but it hasn't gotten to that extent say obet me show more skin out there and so obi bet me get fed up say see the way there was some and I said
out of control
or out of control maybe I no to me can I say me
just say who ran say we want to say bet me adosu kwakwa
sure ebi no better say normal fashion we go na negusu but ebi no mo nso so and find that way or man I know ebe ma obe na just say program no crime should be and I say me follow ni because I dey be obe ya hamenu ebetimi ahụ obi go for also only obi kasa na akoto so obi no obi eyi ya otu one ma beka say akwada wo mu ade nkamene no kamene nipa na ogina ho ne kasa nkama bona so baby nipa na ogina ho no so nya na dey so obona so that was just say as obi any how I will take
That one's poison.
It's another one's meat.
Okay.
It's no be any how we take into quite be so a bit me assign a brand. A bit me lose some fans because of how right now all dressed because they didn't know her, like they didn't know her for that, yeah.
Okay, where mama for me the dressing.
It's something that will be repeated, not a continuous. They'll get fed up. They say no, the person I know is changing.
So the person will also change.
Sure.
On your fan view.
Sure.
Now Ushe send a number a message we are. I bet you have to say you one or I find it serious. And now don't want to send any panel new rights. I want a life. And I say, oh no, fashion world into a cost why in your bed.
Obi any right, will be a life. But if certain things are not going on well, like any panel
okay.
Obi any right, our personal life. But if you been koye any person that was
okay.
because only nipa ena only nipa to me juma. And because you are a celebrity,
okay.
And it's because of your fans, all of them follow them, will do some and so on. And they don't have access into your private life, but yes, so they have a say in your private life.
Since you are celebrating.
Yeah. Who followers are. What about what create account? I was saying conforming who they are young you want their opinion. The fact that we be account or fan page or where you are only one more editing kutan also who almost make us and then my fans bring your questions and answer. It's the fact to say what market and that's what make it that opportunity that gap no dia ma wo mutimi extra wo ma dwen nkwade. They don't have the right in your private life, but they have an opinion mutimi extra wo ma dwen enti you know that one e betimi abasa obefa no because ye sha won come opa na wofa open so wofa and you too for onso de ohun ni say bebo no eno na obefa de emotional mbo eno na wonye de won fa everything me won say obetimi afa ni serious asking so obetimi asesa ewo ho no so beka say say na me crop for na say wo follow me they are not okay with nowadays my dressing. Okay. I will change it and me when they say obetimi ama na saka obo onu so if trend of person we so be forget to say no you have to adapt to whatever she wants.
You na me aba before I didn't say me pe say you hu etiefo hu say feedback me any general say wo ton ade na ebia ye unu aduane na akwaye enye de say ebia we model na ebia wo dress na akwaye ana say we ebia boss na ebia nyoma bia chia say obi be ma wo feedback na negative cry enye ana say wo man blow na wo sisa nyoma mu.
Okay. Obama say feedback idea ehun hia enti na idea nso so enti so like who did you maybe na unya feedback whether positive or negative it means that there's a question mark on what you are doing.
Really?
Yeah, I was unya feedback because say idea wo I didn't think of phone ka say
oh okay.
And I say nya so I didn't think of wo ntimi ka say not still like what unya comment also so
okay.
And yes, you wouldn't know. Say, are you going through the right channel? Are you doing the right thing or you are doing the wrong thing?
Okay.
Say the worker say what you and I wouldn't chine gumne chine just say Diana Abeto no or Otoyen chine nkwan wo buy or man complain say no you dey chine wo
because umuna
woman kan da wo buy yes for so eno so nchine eno so mbebeto ya wo man kan enti be the one say wo improve and after wo improve and be the one say aha na wo gina
okay.
E dey aya wa dey enti feedback there is a necessity. I was saying, you have to get a feedback, whether negative or positive. And when the negative comes to you, have to take it because it's going to mold you.
Okay.
It's going to make you put things together.
Okay. Okay. Etiefo ni aba ekiesi kapa ene twetwe nkomo so obeti ni nsemu a latter point of ni twemu no was to say feedback there esan say ma wo baby a wogina say wogina left say wogina right na e ma wo sesan nyome mu e ma wo emodi nyoma na me kakra me de beka won say celebrities no titru obi wo celebrity on person e beka na asem who ni say on one life na so say na wo siti bi a wo do ho abeto platform so a wo bi ehun no se bibi anko ya sa na fans any woman a woman show woman beka se ne be ya obesiesie in your mind. So observers are worried. Observe when they are really into you. They get worried when things go wrong. It's so many feedback. So now working on yourself. Now it's for discussion. And you see if you say no aso me GDC I want so wadwenche wa fa bi so wom bo modern trope eye wadwenche wo ye comment section subscribe to Tumaji H if you can send ebe adwumedi bi ade betum bia amonum wa na won saka bi no watumi akire wadwen na like na share promote channel we Mexical enemy din that's an ye besan Asia maka.